morning, Manada. Today I am going to explain the topic T20 scoreboard. And my teammates are Chinmay Durga, Prerana Bati, Pooja R, and myself Chandana. So I am going to explain introduction. The T20 cricket scoreboard system is a database application designed to manage and organize cricket match data effectively using principle of fundamentals of database management system. It involves storing crucial information such as team scores, player performance, overs, wickets, and other match details in structured relational database. This system emphasizes the use of database concepts like data integrity, normalization, and efficient querying to ensure accurate and consistent match updates. By applying FDBMS techniques, the project demonstrates how dynamic and complex sports data can be managed in real life. The use of SQL queries enables fast retrieval and manipulation of data, making it useful for players, coaches, and viewers who require up-to-date and reliable match information. This approach also highlights the partial role of database management system in real-world application beyond traditional business uses. The next part will be continued by Pooja R.
Now I am going to explain a ER diagram. Here the player ID, where it is a primary key. A player can play for many teams and participate in many matches. Afterwards, teams, where the teams is a primary key where a team can play many matches and be linked to one or more locations. Afterwards, the matches, the attribute is match ID. It is also a primary key where match date, runs, overs, wickets, team ID, where a match can involve multiple players and teams. Locations, attribute, date, district, city represents the places where the match is played. Afterwards, here the player performance attribute, score ID. It's a primary key. Runs, wickets, overs, player ID, where a captures performance stats of players in matches. Here the players from a player to a matches, it is having a M:1 relationship where a player can play many matches. A match can have many players. Afterwards, player performance to and matches, it having a 1:M relationship where one match can have multiple player performance. One performance belongs to one match. Afterwards, plays from a team to a match, it having a relation M:1 relationship where a team can participate in many matches. A match includes multiple teams. Afterwards, the location, team to an location. A team can be associated with location, possibly a home ground. Afterwards, the relational schema was continued by Prerana and Bhati.
Pooja, can you share the relational schema? Okay, so relational mapping. Here matches, this table keeps information about each match. Match ID is the primary key and team ID is a foreign key that links to the teams table. And then next one is teams. This table stores data about different teams. Team ID is the primary key. And the next one is players. This holds data about the players while player ID is the primary key. And the next player performance represents individual player performance in matches. Score ID is the primary key. Player ID is a foreign key referring to the players table. Here the relationship and mapping from players to matches, it is many to many relationship. Like a player can play multiple matches, and then from team to matches the relationship is one to many. Like a team can play in many matches represented by having team ID as a foreign key in matches the table. Then for primary key, team ID in teams and player ID in players, then match ID in matches, score ID in player performance. Foreign keys are team ID in matches, teams, then player ID in player performance players. Then the next part will be continued by Chinmay.
Okay, in this database system, create database IPL T20. In create, we can assume create the used IPL. Next, create table and insert the tables. Next, again player performance, insert and matches, create table matches, inserted, and in this we can use foreign key and primary key. This is all about the create table and insert tables. In query, which was the highest score match in IPL history? In this, we can query write select match ID, sum of runs as total runs. It means match ID is the table name, and from which table performance group by match ID, order by total runs, deciding limit 1. Limit 1, it means we'll get only 1. This is the output. Next, which team has the lowest total score in a match? This is highest, in this is lowest. Same as query will be written, but in this query we will be write maximum or minimum. In this we carry lowest total score. It means minimum of runs. This is the order. Next, in this select star from teams, it means all the teams are in the table.